Finally came. This is our new vlogging camera, so let's unbox it. Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of Life at 20s. I'm super excited right now because we are currently using my new vlogging camera. But for this episode, guys, we are going to try and build good habits and healthy lifestyle. So if you don't know yet, I am in my last year of my mid-20s. So I'm really trying to keep up with my age. I mean, my body, my physical body. I try to keep it up with my age. So I decided that this year, I'm going to prioritize my health. So for today, we are going to run and probably hit the gym after. Di na bago sa akin yan, guys, since I actually started almost 3 or 2 weeks ago. So, ayun. It's actually super fun din for me because nakikisama lang ako sa boyfriend ko. And sobrang grateful ako because he's super patient when it comes to teaching me like mga exercise and stuff. But yeah, for today, I'm gonna show you my morning routine. So this is our outfit and very sporty. I love it. It's actually a set, guys. It's not a one piece. And this set is from Hottie Diary. Actually, parang gusto kong palitan yung bottoms ko para mas komportable ako. Baka mag-leggings ako. We'll see later. I'm just gonna vlog with my phone kasi medyo sensitive to and we don't wanna break this camera agad-agad kasi kailangan ko siya ma-ROI. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so now we are making a salad. So ito yung go-to snack ko recently and tumatagal to sa amin for about 2 to 3 days. And actually nagawa ko na siya one time. Wait, I'll show you. Ito siya. Kita ba? Ayan. Yung recipe nito is from my tita kasi pinagawa niya si mama. Nung umuwi kami sa Quezon, pinagawa niya si mama ng salad and nagustuhan ko siya kasi yung iba yung dressing niya compared to the Caesar salad na lagi namin ginagawa. Kasi yung Caesar, maasim siya kasi binibili lang namin yung dressing nun sa Landers. And what I don't like about it is, ayun nga, medyo maasim siya lalo na pag nadamihan mo yung paglagay mo sa salad. So, I don't really like it. So, nung natikman ko yung recipe ni tita, sabi ko, okay, ito na lang yung i-remake ko and yung palagi kong gagawin. And for this one, medyo mas marami lang siyang recipe. Kasi before, yung Caesar salad na ginagawa ko is like may lettuce lang, mango, and apple, and then the dressing, and that's it. But for this salad, yung recipe ng tita ko, it's medyo maraming ingredients and medyo mas time-consuming kasi maggagayat ka talaga ng vegetables. So, I'm gonna show you guys the recipe that I'm gonna be preparing. So, you'll be needing corn, lettuce, apple. Isang apple lang, guys. Madami na yun, actually. Yung ginawa ko before, actually, parang half lang ng apple yun. And sobrang dami na niya, like this one. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Marami na yun, half lang. But this time, I'm gonna do a whole apple kasi wala akong mango na nabili. Yeah, yun lang yung kulang ngayon. You also gonna be needing carrot, cucumber, isang sibuyas, mayo, cheese, and for the dressing, you're gonna be needing pepper, salt, and lemon. Pero wala akong lemon ngayon here, so calamansi na lang. That's okay. Actually, yun yung ginamit ko last time and masarap naman siya. The same pa rin nung dressing na ginawa ni tita. So, yeah. Now, let's prepare it. I'm also gonna boil egg, dalawa. Yung ginawa ko before, isa lang. And okay naman, pero nabitin lang ako. So, gagawin kong dalawa yung egg for this salad. So, yeah. Now, let's prepare it. Okay, so it's officially rainy season. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna share with you now an additional thing that I do to my daily routine. Since this is all about me building good habit and, you know, a healthy lifestyle, I try to incorporate reading a book every day. So I started, I think, almost 3 weeks ago, and I already finished this one. So I think familiar kayo with this one, guys. This is The Atomic Habits. If I'm not mistaken, this one is very popular way back 2021 or 2022. Like, I think everyone on the internet are reading this one. And now that I get to read this and finish this, I totally get the hype. If you're gonna ask me, I highly recommend this if you're like me, trying to improve myself, like break my bad habits, build a good routine. This one is a good start. As I mentioned, I really try to incorporate reading. And with that being said, guys, I have here new books. Kakarating lang ito ngayon, guys. And I got these from Shopee lang. Sobrang mura lang ito, guys. This is actually the first time that I'm gonna say this, but I am a cheap ass girl. If I like something and I can find like an alternative, a cheaper version of a thing, I will get that. So parang isang book, guys, I only got it for around 150 pesos. Para mas mababa pa kasi ginabitan ko pa to ng mga vouchers. So sobrang mura lang ito, guys. Well, my main objective naman in buying a book is to learn new things and to incorporate it on my daily life or daily routine. And wala pa ako sa stage na parang I can splurge money on books. Kasi I know today, like, books are very pricey, especially those that are available sa Fully Book, online website, mga famous bookstore. Actually, ito, this one, hindi ako bumili nito. Yung boyfriend ko yung bumili nito and he got this for around 100 plus or 200 plus. So, sobrang cheap lang. Contents are the same as those that are being sold around 400 plus or 500 plus. As for me, I'm super happy that I got these all for a very cheap price. I'm super excited to read this. Actually, parang may dalawa lang ditong naiiba sa mga binili ko. The Art of Being Alone and The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. So, ito lang ata yung dalawa different out of all the books that I got. But the rest are about building good habits, self-improvement. Some of these are about building a better version of yourself, and also some are about emotional intelligence, which I am trying to also build. And I'm excited to share my thoughts on these books. I'll also be linking all of these guys sa description box natin. Or if you guys also want to start reading, or maybe you're already reading and you are a bit curious of what I got, so maybe you might as well check them out. Interesting. This is a book about self-sabotage. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'll let you know if these are worth reading for. Hello guys, it's currently 6:48 p.m. and magluluto ako ng dinner. So kanina bumili kami ng steak sa Landers. So I'm gonna try to cook it tonight. This is actually my first time to try and cook steak, and wala akong right pan to cook it. Kung ano lang yung meron ako dito, dun ko na lang siya iluluto. And also, bumili rin kami kanina ng marble potatoes. Try kong gumawa ng mashed potato with it. So, hindi ko na siya babaltan kasi maliliit siya. Ayun. So, that's our agenda for tonight. So, antayin ko lang din yung boyfriend ko kasi nasa gym siya ngayon. Hindi ako nakasama kasi bigla akong nagka-period. But, actually, that's a good thing because we're going somewhere this week, and perfect lang na magkaroon ako today kasi usually 4 days naman ako yung menstruation ko, so that's perfect lang since 4 days from now we are going somewhere and you'll know it very very soon. But yeah, for now, let's try and cook the steak. Ito pala yun, guys. Ito yung nabili namin sa Landers. For 4 cuts ng ribeye steak, we got this for only 724. Sabi nila mas mura daw sa Landers. First time lang naman namin ito bumili, but yung nakikita ko sa TikTok, kasi matagal ko na gusto mag-cook ng steak, and nagsisearch ako where to buy the cheapest steak meat. Sabi nila sa Landers daw. So, ayun. And for the recipe or the procedure, I'm just gonna find a TikTok video for reference. Yeah, let's go.